there. Okay, I just wanted to address really quickly. Sometimes I think this is easier than a bunch of bullet points. I have loaded the instructor companion, I'm sorry, to your instructor companion site. So this is your site. If you have problems getting in, but you have the username and password already. I've loaded the book for you and I've loaded MindTap and I've actually just created a demo course so you can start to look at it. To create a course, all you have to do is name the course through the create a course key and put a start and end date and it populates right here. I wanted to go ahead and create you a demo. Instructor Companion website, that's where you're going to find all of the resources available. So there is testing, worksheets, a transition guide that will move you from iLearn into what MindTap is for this. Here's your PowerPoints, a sample syllabus, etc. So lots of great resources right here. For MindTap, which you'll go in right here, um, as you recall, this is what it looks like here. Lots and lots of robust activities that you can view in the learning path right here. I have sent a link also to one of our pre-recorded MindTap trainings. It's actually for the Plazas book, but it will kind of give you the same idea of how to work with the content. At any rate, let us when you're ready, let's get either an online or in-person training with our product expert set up for you, and we can go from there. But I just wanted to show you where everything was as far as this title. Okay, have a great day.